to our two excellent speakers.
Thank you, Professor Jinlong. I have really put on my student's hat after a long time. Trust me, rather than asking questions, I've made some very interesting keyword takeaways, starting from Ajahn Samuel. He mentioned a new approach. He mentioned flexibility, making it contextual with a full of each being different, tailor-made. Then we heard from Chris, the hybridity, the focus on affordability, sustainability, networking. We had also heard after that, Ajahn Bruce, he mentioned about the exciting future. Now, as a lifelong pursuant of sustainability, I would propose to this very august panel this concept of moving beyond sustainability. And there, my value proposition is sustainability seamlessness, which is, what is seamlessness? I have to define it in the context of small island states and also conflict-affected states. COVID, carbon, conflicts, cyber wars, climate, so many negative C's impacting these small island states. So they have to cope with, number one, intense codependency between the marine, the terrestrial, the riverine, the desert space, island habitats. So in order to cut out the kinks and cut out the suddenness, I am proposing seamlessness, retaining their own sovereignty, retaining their own identity, and retaining their own innovative, integrated, resilient spirit. So this is definitely not a so hands-on presentation as I learned from the previous speakers. But in my 20+ country, moving around, doing some living labs on water waste energy, WWE, which again needs a little clarification, which means that each habitat is really a vector triangle. And a vector has a magnitude and direction. So the orientation would be different in Mindanao, in Geneva, in Redlands, in Xinhua, or in Bangkok. So the role of a multilateral developmental institution would be to identify what is it that the particular habitat or the hinterland is looking for. So that's where I introduced this word of bankability, of seamlessness, with another new word. Trust me, I beg your patience on this. 2 new words already, seamlessness, bankability, and now one more, which is urbanization. This is, trust me, very potent, given the clutter in all these small island states, the conflict-afflicted states. Everybody